Alright guys, working on the truck again. Still working on the box right here with the gas fill neck. So in the last video we went ahead and built all this up. Got all that done. And we also made the side panel with the door and the hinges. And today I just added these brackets right here, which are going to bolt to those pieces right there. And along right here, we got 4 bolts that mount right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount that back up and let y'all see what that looks like. After several attempts, about an hour, 2 hours, we got it mounted. It kind of fought us the whole way. Mostly my fault because I didn't ask for any help. But got it open. As you can see, I got this chain here. I'm about to weld a bolt onto this face and bolt that up because I don't want this door to get tweaked again, because that was one issue we had earlier. Let me turn this light off so you can see. Now, but it looks pretty good. That's all that counts. Alright, so I got my chain mounted up here, like so. Alright y'all, so we're going to call it for tonight. Got that part mounted. Like so. So I'm just going to have some foam on that piece right here. But that's only just to keep pressure on the door, that way it doesn't rattle, and that way when you take the pin out, it'll just, you know, fall out pretty easy. But I'm pretty happy with that. So all I have left to fabricate and build is this whole back section. I'm probably going to do a box here too. That's going to be much later though. I think what I'm going to focus on now is actually finishing the sides on each side, take it all apart, paint it, and then bolt it all back up. So we'll see. Maybe tomorrow we can do all that.
The next day.
Alright, new game plan. I went ahead and just took everything off. I'm not going to go that route. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't look too bad like that, but what I had to do is take everything off and went ahead and cleaned it up and took it all apart, all the pieces, to paint it. And I did the POR15, which is the paint over rust. So all I did was kind of prime all the little shiny parts where it didn't have rust, and it came out pretty good. I got to put another coat on it, and the box is over here. There. Got to put another coat. I also have to paint the bottom of this and the bottom of these 2 things. I got all of that painted, the fender, all of that. So I'm gonna let all that dry and come back and put another coat and paint the other side. So this is what I was using to hold the spare tire. It's just a stud, a wheel stud that you put in like a rotor or a hub or whatever. But it usually has this little spline, these little splines right here that whenever you tighten it down, it stays in place. Which it seemed like a good idea for the spare tire because I don't need to get on this side. I just take the spare tire off. But in order for me to pull it in and out on my particular application, I had to pull this back out, and I smoothed out the little splines to where, you know, it can fasten all the way. The only problem with that is I don't have much to hold on to on this end, so I didn't want to have to go buy some bolts when I already bought these, and I already had these nuts, so I'm just going to go ahead and weld that on there, fill it full of weld. And this is what it looks like when you're done. I think that's pretty hot. What do you think? This is probably not going to do it any justice, but that's the moon. Thought it was real pretty. I thought I'd get it on video. So this is the big box that we built for the truck. It's 36 wide, 14.5 tall, 14.5 deep. I was just trying to see what all fit in it before we installed it. And I'm not going to pull everything out because it's all crammed in here, but we got like 3 18-volt batteries, 2 18-volt chainsaws, a reciprocating saw right there, some soap, some rubber gloves, measuring cup, other chemicals, some bar oil for the chainsaws, all kind of essentials will go in this box here. So I wanted to show what I was doing here. So I had a piece that was just shy of about 3/8 of an inch, maybe a ½ inch right here. And rather than go buy another whole piece and use this for another project, I just got some angle iron here. And I'm just gonna tack that in place, seal up right here. And that way I don't have to go buy another $50 piece of metal because it's not quite big enough. Alright guys, finally got the sides of the bed done. It's all painted, mounted, finished. So this is all the stuff that goes into this box here. We've got a jack stands, a bag for my impact and air inflators, some tarps, some blocks, a breaker bar, and the arm for the jack. I'll show you how all that fits in there in a little bit. Sorry for all the traffic. They're always busy on this road here. So this is the gas box. These are the gas cans that's going to fit in there. That's where I'm going to keep all my gas. Right here, this is the essentials box. Basically, a little bit of everything. We got the chainsaws, the reciprocating saw, bar awl, chemicals, soap, rubber gloves, and also right here where the spare tire is, all of that stuff goes. So if you notice, there's a cubby down there. So the green can tucks away over there, and then this jug goes in there. Alright, so everything's in the box. That's these tarpaulins. And everything's behind there, the jack and all the tools. I don't know if you can see that up there, but all the stuff is in there, the jug and the tools. We got the gas box here. Two gallons and one 1 gallon, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's the filler neck. It looks like it's hard to pump gas in it, but it's really not. And then all of this stuff in this big box. Not too bad.